Hello children. We were at the point that Omar Saad asked for some time to think. When he forbade fighting Imam Hussain, Ibn Ziyad said,
"Then the government of Ray will be given to someone else."
On hearing this, Ibn Saad got confused and consulted his close friends.
You should take this step to get the government of Ray.
No, how can you do that?
No, you can't do that with the Prophet's son.
But Umar Saad had to obey the order of Ibn Ziyad. It is narrated that Imam Ali had said to Ibn Saad that you will choose hell when you are given a chance to choose between heaven and hell. Omar Saad turned to Karbala. When he reached Karbala, he found his army there. Her joined Omar Saad's army with his army.
Call Urwa bin Qais.
I am present, O Master. What's your order?
Go to Hussein.
No, my lord.
Old man, you are disobeying my order.
Omar Saad asked the rulers of Kufa, but they all denied that they could not go to Imam Hussain. Who will tell me, children, why they were refusing?
They were scared.
No.
They were feeling ashamed.
Correct, but why? Because some of them were also the ones who wrote the letter to the Imam.
I will do it for you.
Come on, who are you?
Kathir bin Abdullah, if you order, I will kill Hussein.
Do as much as you are told. Go and ask Hussein why he is here.
When the army was coming towards the Imam, Sumama saw him and asked the Imam,
Imam, this is the most cruel man coming. Where are you coming from?
I have to give the message of Master to Hussein.
Drop your sword here.
No, I will not take down the sword.
Take off your sword.
No, I won't take it off.
Then you cannot attend the service of the Imam.
Kathir returns and Omar Saad sends Qais to the service of Imam Hussain.
Any one of you knows him?
My master, this is Qais Hanzali. He was close to us. I didn't expect him to be from Omar Saad's army.
Tell Omar Saad that I did not come here myself. I received your letter. You are not faithful to your invitation. If you don't want me here, let me go back.
Qais, where are you going leaving Imam Hussain?
I am Ibn Saad's agent. I will also think about joining Imam.
What happens next will be explained in the next session.